Hello. So this time we will be doing a demo of the difference between the AT and the API modes, starting with the AT, which is the transparent mode. And we'll be using the XCTU software. This software is used to help configure the Zigbees to be able to send or receive messages. And we'll be using this to help us understand low power applications just a little bit more. Now, I have three of my Zigbees connected to the computer, which are all in the same network, and I have reconfigured the nodes to have one be the coordinator, router, and end device. Now, for this page, I have been able to configure what each node is able to do to establish myself as the coordinator, router, and end device. So, yeah, so for the coordinator, all I have for this is to have the device turned on for the coordinator. I chose an ID for it, which basically force all the nodes to go to a Pacific network. And and of course, the most important part is to be able to choose let's see, where is it? We have to be able to choose the API configuration here. And it is very important that we are in transparent mode, as this is what we'll be working on. In another video, I'll be going over how to manipulate uh, the characters in API mode. So for now, we have transparent mode. And for the end device here, the only difference that I have to be able to change is to be able to have the device sleep. Again, the router and the end device are very similar. It's just that the end device just allows more energy to be saved up as we let the device sleep. So now let's be able to configure the message. Now we have our coordinator, router, and end device here, and I went ahead and and open these networks so they're all connected to each other. Now, now with in transparent mode, what I'm able to do is just be able to type any information that is in that is in a node, and this information will be sent to the coordinator. Now I will have my router here. I'll detach it so we can see clearly, and I'll just send a message. Hello, how are you? And as you can see, the blue represents our message being sent and the red represents our message being received. And again, as I type, any information that is in our router here is being sent to the coordinator, just a simple copy and paste as you see it. This also applies to the end device as well. Let's attach this. We have an end device and we have a coordinator here, and I will type something. I am fine. Now you see that the end device is a little bit slow in trying to pick up the characters that have been sent to the coordinator, which is why we don't often really use the end device in our transparent mode, but we could just change it into another router and it will be just fine to send information to the coordinator. Now, a very funny situation is that if we can also have the coordinator send information to, send information to. And if I type in some information, I'll say uh, chicken. As we can see very humorously, the coordinator is talking to itself and it's basically doing a what you see is what you do. And the coordinator is unable to communicate to the end device in the router, as we can see that no information has been yet been sent there. And this is just a part of transparent mode, is the fact that we can only copy information that is there, nothing else. And an advantage of the transparent mode is that, again, it provides a simple interface that makes it very easy to get started with the Zigbee devices. And it works very well for any two-way communication system between the Zigbee devices. And it's a very fast and easy, cheap process compared to the API mode. And again, a disadvantage is the fact that we are unable to yeah, to really set or read the configuration of remote Xibbee's devices in the network. And we can't really identify the source of this data that's being received. The and again, the best way to actually just use transparent mode is if we just need to copy and paste information quickly to be copied to the coordinator. So let's just say that I have my paper here, and I just want to do a quick copy of my project. I'm going to abstract here, copy, paste it, and then let's detach it. And we see all of this in the coordinator. So if you just need a quick session to just send information to, this is what the transparent mode is used for. And this process is very easy to learn. And for low power applications, this is a very, yeah, handy mode. Thank you.